Hello beautiful souls, you are welcome to Fortitude Shammah Craft. Today we'll be making a nice turban, a round base turban with half interlock by the side. The measurement I used for the cap is 24, the base is 24 by 13, while the band is 24 by 5. Let's start. The material I'm using is Scuba material. Scuba material, you can use double foam scuba material or single. I'm using single scuba material. Then we'll be using our office pin. The measurement here is 5 by 55 inches. 5 by 50, straight down is 55 inches, and we need two of it. This is the second one, two. We need two of it. The first thing you will do is to fold it on the right side facing you. On the right side, I have to join mine because I don't have straight cut. If you have straight cut of 55, yes, go ahead and cut it out. So this is 55, and I'm starting where I joined. Take your office pin, pin it down, pin it down. Pin it down to the end. So this is the outcome. After pinning it down, you are going to lay it in this form. This pin side where you pinned, this opening, you are going to place it this way, facing up. Then this one where you are going to place it in this form. Can you see it? It's going to be like this, not like this. Do you get it? It's going to be like this, facing up. The openings are facing up. Do you get it now? So you take it to your machine and sew. You sew it down. So after sewing it down, you will remove the pin. Remove this pin as well. So this is it. Now listen to this. You are going to interchange, and it's going to be slant. Look at this now. I'm picking this and I'm moving it to this side. Can you see that it's slant? If you are picking this, the first one that you are going to pick, so you are going to make it slant, then you hold it down. It's not like this, and it's not like this. You are going to pick it, make it slant, then you hold it down. Hold it down in this form. Then take this one, make it slant, then you hold it down. Can you see it? That is slant. Then you come to this one again. You come to this one again. You are going to pick it, take it to this side. It's slant. Take this one, slant. Then don't remove your hand from here. Hold it down. Sorry, as you are doing it, you are going to be removing the needle. As you are interchanging it, please remove the needle, the pin. I forgot to, so I'm going to start again. I've removed the pin here. So in this one, make it slant. This will come here, slant. Then this will go here. I'm going to remove the pin now. You remove this pin, then move this one. Remove the pin. It's still forming the V shape. Can you see it? So move this one in a slant way. Move this to this side. Don't remove your hand here. Move this to this side in a slant way. Can you see that it's slant? Then move this to this side. As you are getting to the office pin, please remove it. Remove the pin. Then move this to this side again. I'm removing the office pin. This to this side. Then this to this side. Make it slant. Remove it. So when you get to the end of it, this is the end. You are going to tack down. So I'm going to tack it down the way I did initially. So you take your thread and needle, you tack it down. Then you secure. Tack it down and secure. Cut off the excess thread. So the next thing you are going to do is to run loose stitches. It has three angles. This is one, this is two, and this is three. You will pick any one you want. So we are going to run loose stitches. It has three angles, one, two, and three. You are going to pick any one. Take your thread and needle, secure it. Secure it. We are going to run loose stitches at the angle. Just pick it. At the angle, just pick any angle. You put together and secure. Secure it and cut off the excess thread. Cut off the excess fabric here. So let's attach it to the cap. This is how you are going to attach it to the cap. At the center, this front part, you are going to lay it down in this form at the center of the base. So you are going to, this is how it's going to be. At the center, then it's going to be in this form. So when you get to the back, you are going to lay it the same way you lay this. Can you see it? Not like this. It's going to be like this. So the same way you lay this side, that's the same way you are going to lay the back. So let's attach. And as we attach this to the cap, we are going to be picking it down parts. You are going to be picking it and attach to the cap as well. This is how you are going to do. So after tacking this place down, you are going to be picking it one by one. Then you tack it to the base, not to the band. Tack it to the base. So I've tacked it. I want to tack the back side. So I'm going to lay it down. I'm going to lay it down the way I laid in the beginning. Cut off the excess thread. So I'm going to embellish it to cover this rough edge with trimming. I'm going to use trimming. I'm going to gum it in this form. Down to this place. This is how I'm going to do it. Down to this place. So this is it. We are through making it. This is Fortitude Shammah Crafts 0813 97 84467. Thank you for your time. See you in next tutorial. Bye.